Hello everyone! I would like to share the Avalyn backpack of Celine. So let's unbox. So ito yung specification ng Celine backpack. Yung nakalagay na dito yung materials, the nylon, at saka yung size ng backpack. So I will show kung gaano siya ganda at katibay ng materials. As you can see, yung sa front niya may dalawang pocket, tapos may side pa na pwedeng lagyan ng umbrella, at inside may tatlong pocket. Tapos may extra pa to na strap if gusto mong sling bag. Then may tote bags siyang kasama. One, two, three pockets. There's a dash bag. At ito yung nylon strap niya. Actually, hindi siya mahaba. Sakto lang. I'm petite, so sakto lang sa akin. Nasa hips level ko lang siya. So, ito yung pocket outside. Actually, dalawa. So, tayong sling bag. In-order ko siya noong 9.9. So, may discount. So, makikita mo sa receipt na may pa-discounts lang. That's it. So, this is the closer look for the materials na ginamit nila. Maganda yung zipper. Ito yung gusto ko sa bag na hindi masyadong sinisigaw kung anong pangalan ng brand ng bag. So, maliit lang yung nakalagay na CLN. So, look at the handle. Diba ang ganda? Pati strap ng backpack. I don't know if we called it what kind of leather sa top. Then the nylon strap. So let's see naman sa lining inside. See? Hindi siya mumurahing lining. Maganda talaga siya. So I'm super satisfied of this purchase. The original price of this one is 1,799. So I ordered this one in Shopee. But so for me, it's a steal. And thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye!